Here are some hacks that can save your A-levels. So the first thing I want you to do is to write down everything in the question that you can see. So every bit of information, if the work done's 15 joules or if it's a distance of 5 meters, just write it down, get all the information there so you've got it all. And then you've got to write down every equation that you think could be related to this topic. That way, things are just going to start connecting in your brain and you're going to just start subbing random things into equations and you'll get there. The second thing is, if you've just revised something, teach your friends. It sounds stupid, but by teaching your friends, you'll probably realise that you didn't learn it as well as you thought you did. Because when you have to explain something, there's so many little things that they're going to ask you about where you're like, oh, I don't know, I just kind of skipped that bit. And by teaching it, it makes you learn it the whole way through and the method becomes like really step by step. So once you do this a few times, you'll start to realise that you learn it in a deeper way. And the third tip is like the easiest thing ever, which I recommend, and I do it at the end of every test I do. And it's just, if you've got 1 minute left even, just go through everything and count the number of significant figures they ask you in the question and see how many significant figures is in your answer and make sure that they're right in every single question. And it could like, honestly, it just saves you like marks that you just like stupid and they're the worst marks to lose. So just do that at the end of every paper, even if you've got 1 minute left.